Sandblasting is a process by which granular abrasives are applied at high pressure to surface to remove rust, paint, corrosives, or other substances before treating them or applying a finish. When placed under high pressure and applied to the surface, the friction of the abrasive passing over the surface effectively sours and cleans it. The process is widely used in several industries and is a key component in surface preparation. Though the name is drawn from the use of sand in the blasting process, many materials can be used in abrasive blasting surface preparation in New England. Even water can be utilized depending on the surface prep needs. Soft materials such as crushed walnut shells can be used on softer surfaces, while the hardest finishes may require steel grit, sand, or glass beads. Regardless of the surface being prepared, professional surface preparation services can help determine the right material for your surface. Keep reading to learn more about the top 5 benefits of sandblasting for surface preparation. There are many potential contaminants that can come into contact with your components during or after the manufacturing process that can make application of coatings and finishes nearly impossible. One of the primary culprits is oil or grease. Even the slightest layer of oil on components can produce subpar, uneven finishes or prevent surface treatments from adhering. Another common surface contaminant that must be removed during refurbishing is old paint. Paint can be stubborn to remove, especially if it is present in multiple layers, while some oil, paint and contaminants can be removed by chemical means. The process can be labor-intensive and requires the strong of chemicals on site. Sandblasting can offer an attractive alternative that is effective and efficient. If your industry is involved in refurbishing weathered components or surfaces, rust removal may be a primary concern. Because rust is the result of a chemical reaction involving oxygen and metal, it can be difficult to remove without damaging the surface. It can cause pitting and uneven surfaces which are nearly impossible to prepare without significant remediation. While it may take many man-hours to remove rust using traditional abrasive techniques, sandblasting can quickly and effectively remove rust and restore metal surfaces to their pre-oxidized state. That leaves behind smooth, shining metal that is ready to be retreated. In addition to removing the paint, rust and contaminants on the surface of metal and other materials, the process of sandblasting creates a surface that is prepped and ready to accept a new finish or coating. Abrasive blasting removes the thin out layer of material on a surface, leaving a smooth, bare surface that is primed for applications. That means that after sandblasting, your surfaces will readily accept any applications of paint, finishes or coatings that you use. Thanks for watching. Until next time.